Hi everyone, welcome to my class. And so in this class today we're gonna continue with sites. Okay, so in the last class we learned the concept of the sites and the notation of the sites and some basic properties of the sites, right? So today we're gonna learn some popular sites. Okay, so we have several symbols to indicate the site. Okay, we know in mathematics we have different kind of sites which we frequently use in our daily life or study. Okay, so the first one, as you may think, this is means empty site. So when you see this symbol with a zero or something, it means that there's no element in this site. So we call it the empty site. So the second one, the n here means the non-negative integers, or sometimes we say that is a natural number, right? And the third one, the z stand for integers. Okay, so if it is integers, is it includes the uh, negative, zero, and positive integers. So in English, why do we use z standing for the integers? Because z is a word means a number in German. So that is Zahlen. So that is the first letter of the German word Zahlen, standing for the numbers in German. Okay. So the Q here means rational numbers. Okay. And R stands for the real numbers. Okay, we know that what is a real number. So, uh, yeah. Okay, so real numbers. When we are talking about the numbers, we're using. Okay, so we're using the number line here. Okay, so we're using the number line. So, all the numbers or all real numbers, they're gonna appear on this line. So all real numbers on the number line, they are called the real numbers. Okay, so the last one is complex numbers. Uh, we seldom use this concept in our pre-calculus license. So complex numbers, it includes the real numbers or the rational numbers or the real numbers. But also they use I or some letters to stand for that. Yeah. Okay. So on 4.1.2, there's the comparing and the combining sites. Okay, so in this one, we have done new mark here. The expression S is the subset of the site D. Yeah, so here, this mark, it is called the site S is a subset of site T. Yeah, as you can see on the textbook, you can have a memory trick here. Think of the symbol or mark as like the less or equal sign. So, which means that the set S could be the set T, or all the elements in set S are in the set T, or all elements in set S is just the sum of the elements in set T. Okay, so we can also see that the set S is a subset of the set T, which means that the all elements is equal or less than set T. Okay, and also they have this kind of relation. Okay, so here we can trick this mark as a less than. Okay, so you know that the difference between the less or equal and the less, they're different. Okay, so if we use here the set S is a subject of set T, which means that elements in the set S are less elements in set T. For example, we have the S set here, and we have the brackets here. We put the 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the T set here, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this scenario, we can see that S is a subset of set T, right? Obviously, we can see that there are three numbers in set S. Well, in set T, we have four numbers, okay? So set S is just a part of the set T, okay? But what if we use this set 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So here we can see that set S is a subset of the set T, right? They're equal, right? They're equal. Okay, so in this lesson we learn some popular sites and to remember the symbol, okay? And this one, the Z here, it means the integers, okay? Why do we use the letter Z to indicate that? I told you the Z is from the German word Zahlen, okay? Means a number. And also we learn some two marks, the relationships. It is a comparison, right? Okay. So much for today's lesson. See you next time.